Whether you're looking into beginning your career or hoping to advance in your current role, a firefighter certification or an associate's degree in fire protection technology can help you set your success into motion. If you're just getting started in the fire service, our Fire Recruit Academy is going to be the perfect start for you in your career. It's a 512-hour class extending over numerous weeks. Once you successfully complete the program, you will obtain your certification through the state that will allow you to start your career as a firefighter. The certification program is a very hands-on program which teaches you all the basic fundamentals. And the associate's degree program teaches them those skills to take them to the next level in the fire service. Our instructors have been or are fire chiefs, currently or retired. Entry-level salaries for firefighters nowadays is going anywhere from the mid to upper 40s to the low 60s. The demand for firefighters is overwhelming. There's such a demand for coverage in the fire service, and we don't have enough people to do it. The certification in North Carolina is through the International Association of Fire Service Accrediting Congress. There are many states that accept the IFSAC. A lot of the hands-on props is going to be down at our training facility where we have a very large commercial structure where we can burn pallets and straw inside, and we can simulate a real fire for the firefighters. We can simulate fighting basement fires. We have a residential burn prop. Own your momentum and explore how Gaston College can help you turn your passion for public safety into a lifelong calling.